the day has come. Happy, happy day, happy, happy day. What is today? Yeah, my birthday. My birthday, a happy day. What a special day.
Say happy, you say birthday. Happy birthday, happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Your birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear my love.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
When I think back on these times and the dreams we left behind, I'll be glad 'cause I was blessed to get to have you in my life. When I look back on these days, I'll look and see your face. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. And everywhere I am there you'll be. Will you show me how it feels to feel the sky within my reach? And I always will remember all the strength you gave to me. Your love made me make it through. Oh, I owe so much to you. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. 'Cause I always saw in you my light, my strength. And I wanna thank you now for all the ways you were right there for me. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. And everywhere I am there you'll be. There you'll be. It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know you. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I would fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings.
Okay, go.
Hi, Kakapeli! Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo and have many more birthdays to come. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan?
Kakapele, happy 80th birthday. Wish you good health and long life. Magkikita pa tayo. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Sayang, wala ako sa event mo. Happy birthday at kamusta sa lahat. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kaka!
Ayan, magtutuwa yun. Hi, happy birthday ate. Wish ko na maging healthy ka pa for the coming years. And I wish you more happiness, less stress, and a healthier and happy life. Siguro. Yeah. Hindi siguro. Do it. I'm happy for you kasi you reached that far. Sana ako rin. Marating ko rin yung age mo. Sad to say, wala si Mama. Pero I know she's happy. And sa inyong lahat, sa aking mga pininsan, you're such lucky kids kasi ang healthy tingnan ni Nanay Peli. Alagaan niyo siyang mabuti and magmahalan kayong lahat. Happy birthday again, ate. Mag-iingat ka. Umiwas ka sa stress. Wala namang nabago sa'yo. Maganda ka pa rin. Sensya na kayo malamig dito. Nagkakaroon ako ng runny nose. Excuse me. Tulad ng sinabi ko, wala namang nabago sa'yo. Paano kita nakilala noon? Hanggang ngayon, ganyan ka pa rin. Mahinahon, mabait na asawa, mabait na magulang, para ka ng sinanay. Pareho na kayo. Ako yata nakamana. Ako yata nakamana nun. Pero, basta, mag-iingat ka lagi. And hope to see you sa pag-uwi ko uli. Kamusta sa inyong lahat? And enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, ate. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay Peli! Enjoy your 80th birthday!
Many more to follow. Take care. Bye.
Bye!
Hi, Nanay Peli. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday. And then long life. Ingat po palagi. Iwas lang po sa mga pinagbabawal na pagkain, ha. I love you and I miss you. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayong lahat dyan. I miss you too. Enjoy.
Hi Nanay, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. We love you.
Hi Nay! Happy birthday! Kamusta na po kayo dyan? Sana po ay masaya at nag-e-enjoy na po kayo sa mga oras na to sa inyong birthday celebration. At wala po akong ibang hinihiling kundi ang inyong kaligayahan at malusog na pangangatawan. At syempre po, sana po ay palagi po kayong ligtas at malayo sa anumang kapahamakan at karamdaman. Sayang nga, Nay, wala kami dyan ngayon para makiselebrate po ng birthday nyo. Pero di bali po, magkikita rin po tayo soon. Kaya po palagi po kayong mag-iingat dyan. Sobrang miss na miss ko na po kayong lahat. Hindi man po tayo nagkikita at nagkakausap palagi, pero gusto ko pong malaman nyo na palagi po kayong nasa puso't isip ko. Mahal na mahal ka po namin, Nay. Mag-enjoy po kayo dyan ngayon. And happy birthday po ulit. Bye! I love you, miss you all.
Hello po, Nana Pele. Pasensya na kayo, wala si Oli. Alam niyo na, mahihain sa camera. Anyway, una po sa lahat, maligayang kaarawan. Nawa po ay mapanatili nyo ang inyong malakas na pangangatawan, lalo-lalo na po ang inyong kagandahan. Hindi man po namin malimit sabihin, pero malimit po namin ipakita. Hindi man po namin malimit usalin, pero malimit po namin iparamdam. Mahal po namin kayo. Salamat po at palagi po kayo mag-iingat. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay Pele! We miss you! Ingat palagi! We love you!